Greetings, family. We're live on Revolutionary Cam. We're here. Z. What is your skill or profession?
I'm a dressmaker.
And what are some of the wonderful things you do?
Oh, I
Making
do
dress and
dresses, cover, 2 pieces, skirt and top.
and just some of our collection.
Yes.
And Z, I'm trying to remember the first time we linked up. I want to say October 2007.
Yeah.
And Z has been
I have
providing
a
our
skirt
group
suit,
with professional,
men's suit, and
well organized, tailor-made men and women suits.
yeah.
The finest material you have here.
Casual, office wear.
If you want to come in, get something well designed, top-notch dressmaker,
Yeah.
tailor, seamstress, all these wonderful things.
Yeah.
Z will take care of you. That's part of one of our well organized things that we have where you can come. The product is here, the person who made it is here, the person who's going to get everything set up is here. And you get that done the first day. That way, a week later, the project is completed, and you be ready. Whatever you made, you be ready. You're looking right. So, I have my sister right here. She's just enjoying that time. What did you? What are some of the things you purchased?
I'm making a list, and
you're
not
making a
only
list.
can you not beat the prices, beat the quality, but this is custom made. You know how much you pay for something custom made back in the States? You just can't go wrong here.
That's what I'm talking about, family.
Can't go wrong.
Live on Revolutionary Camp, you're witnessing it. And we have another sister over here. We're gonna make our way over so we can. Greetings, my sister. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Oh, you look excited. She just all smiles and just glowing like you're in the afterlife. All right, family, welcome to Ghana. And these are some of the selections. What you feeling right now?
Oh, I love the fabrics. The fabrics are really high quality, and the boutiques are really exceptional because you can really see how the dye is going all the way through.
Perfect.
So,
Now it sounds like you're ready to rack up for the whole family.
yes,
Excellent.
absolutely. This is great. This is exciting to be able to get custom-made clothing.
They have the children's wear.
So Z, I appreciate you trooping for the night. You're gonna spend the next 2 or 3 hours. It's mainly women on the trip, so I can bond. So, and family, appreciate your energy. Once again, the Live Revolution came in giving you an exclusive live look at Shop.